Hey, yoga lovers! Welcome back to another session where we focus on bringing balance and flexibility to our bodies. Today, I'm here to guide you through a quick 3-minute cat-cow stretch. This simple yet effective routine is perfect for anyone looking to improve their spinal health and overall well-being. It's the perfect way to warm up your spine and start your day off right. Whether you're a morning person or prefer to practice in the evening, this stretch will leave you feeling rejuvenated. So roll out your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get started. Remember, this is your time to connect with your body and mind. First, we'll come onto all fours in a tabletop position. This foundational pose sets the stage for our cat-cow stretch. Make sure your wrists are directly under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. Proper alignment is key to maximizing the benefits of this stretch. Maintain the tabletop position. Take a moment here to find your balance. Feel the stability of your body as you ground yourself into the mat. Spread your fingers wide and press firmly into the mat. This will help distribute your weight evenly and provide a solid foundation. All right, let's begin with cow pose. This pose is excellent for opening up the chest and stretching the front of the body. Inhale deeply and drop your belly towards the mat. Feel the gentle arch in your back as you open up your heart space. Lift your gaze and your tailbone up to the sky. Imagine a string pulling your tailbone and head in opposite directions, creating a beautiful curve in your spine. Feel that stretch along your spine. This movement helps to increase flexibility and mobility in your back. Hold for a moment, breathing in and out smoothly. Let each breath bring you deeper into the pose. Now let's move into cat pose. This pose complements cow pose by stretching the back of the body. On your exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling. Feel the space between each vertebrae as you create a gentle curve in your back. Tuck your chin to your chest and draw your belly button in towards your spine. This action engages your core and deepens the stretch. Feel that wonderful stretch in your back. Great job! This pose helps to release tension and improve posture. Now let's flow between these two poses. This dynamic movement helps to synchronize your breath with your body. Inhale, dropping the belly into cow pose. Feel the expansion in your chest and the lengthening of your spine. Exhale, rounding the spine into cat pose. Notice how your body responds to the change in movement. Keep moving with your breath. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Let your breath guide your movements. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat. Continue this flow for the next minute or so. Allow yourself to fully immerse in the rhythm of your breath and movement. With each breath, notice how your body feels. Pay attention to any sensations that arise. Is there any tightness? Any areas of tension? Use this time to become aware of your body's needs. Just let it all go with each exhale. Release any stress or tension you may be holding on to. All right, let's take one more round. Inhale, dropping the belly. Exhale, rounding the spine. Feel the fluidity of your movements and slowly come back to a neutral tabletop position. Take your time and move mindfully. Take a deep breath in and let it out. You've done it. You've completed the cat-cow stretch. Just 3 minutes and your spine is happy and warm. Notice how your body feels more open and relaxed. Remember, you can always come back to this cat-cow stretch anytime you need a quick reset. It's a great way to maintain spinal health and relieve stress. Thanks for joining me today. Namaste. Take this sense of calm and well-being with you throughout your day. Namaste. Until next time, keep practicing and stay connected with your body and breath.